If your kitchen is running out of space, you're going to love these Amazon finds. From genius storage solutions to time-saving kitchen gadgets, these products help you organize better, cook smarter, and make the most of every inch. Check the links in the description, and let's get started. Number 1, the SpaceAid Bamboo Pull-Out Spice Rack, a kitchen upgrade you'll appreciate every time you cook. The smooth pull-out design gives you instant access to every spice, so you'll never have to dig through crowded cabinets again. It keeps your seasonings neatly organized, maximizes cabinet space, and gives your kitchen a clean, custom-built look that's both practical and stylish. Number 2, the Pipishell Bamboo Expandable Silverware Drawer Organizer, a simple upgrade that transforms cluttered kitchen drawers into an organized space. The expandable design adjusts to fit most drawers, giving you dedicated compartments for silverware, utensils, and cooking tools. Made from durable natural bamboo, it keeps everything neatly organized and easy to find while adding a premium look to your kitchen. Number 3, the 4-pack storage bins with bamboo lids, a stylish storage solution that helps keep every room organized. They're perfect for pantry staples, snacks, coffee pods, bathroom essentials, or office supplies. The clear bins let you see what's inside at a glance, while the bamboo lids add a clean, modern look that fits beautifully in any home. All products links are in the description below. Number 4, the 2-pack Tumbler Lid Organizer, a small organizer that makes a big difference. It keeps your tumbler lids neatly stacked and easy to grab, eliminating clutter in your cabinets and drawers. Quick to install and incredibly affordable, it's a simple upgrade that helps keep your kitchen organized every day. Number 5, the Vtopmart 2-pack Hat Organizer, a smart storage solution for anyone with a growing hat collection. It keeps baseball caps neatly organized, easy to access, and helps maintain their shape. The hanging design saves valuable closet space while giving your bedroom, closet, or entryway a cleaner, more organized look. Number 6, the Magnetic Spice Rack, a smart kitchen organizer that instantly creates extra storage. It attaches securely to the side of your refrigerator, keeping spices, cooking oils, and everyday seasonings right where you need them. By freeing up cabinet and countertop space, it helps make your kitchen more organized, efficient, and easier to cook in. Number 7, the Shirt Folding Board, a simple tool that helps you fold t-shirts, polos, and sweaters in just seconds. It creates neat, uniform folds every time, making your closet and dresser look clean and organized. Whether you're doing laundry for yourself or the whole family, this affordable organizer saves time, reduces clutter, and maximizes storage space. Number 8, the 10-pack Refrigerator Pantry Organizer Bins, a complete organization upgrade for your kitchen. These clear, stackable bins keep fruits, vegetables, drinks, snacks, and pantry staples neatly sorted, so everything is easy to see and grab. They help maximize refrigerator and pantry space while giving your kitchen a clean, organized, Instagram-worthy look. All products links are in the description below. Number 9, the 3-ING Seagulls Baker's Rack, a versatile storage solution that adds valuable workspace and organization to your kitchen. The multi-tier shelves provide plenty of room for small appliances, cookware, spices, and pantry essentials, while the sturdy design helps keep everything within easy reach. It's a great way to maximize storage, reduce countertop clutter, and create a more functional kitchen. Number 10, the HOOBRO Tilt-Out Trash Cabinet, a stylish way to hide your trash can while keeping your kitchen looking clean and organized. The tilt-out design provides quick access to your waste bin, while the enclosed cabinet helps conceal trash and reduce odors. The top surface also gives you extra space for decor, coffee supplies, or everyday kitchen essentials, making it both practical and attractive. Number 11, the Nostalgia 3-in-1 Breakfast Station, a compact appliance that makes busy mornings easier. It combines a coffee maker, toaster oven, and griddle in one space-saving design, so you can brew coffee, toast bread, and cook eggs or bacon at the same time. It's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or anyone who wants a quick, convenient breakfast without taking up extra counter space. Number 12, the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, a fast and easy way to enjoy fresh juice at home. Its powerful motor extracts juice from whole fruits and vegetables with less prep work, helping you make healthy drinks in minutes. Whether you're starting your morning with fresh orange juice or making a nutritious green juice, this machine delivers great results with easy cleanup. Number 13, the OVENTE 2-tier electric food steamer, a simple way to prepare healthy, delicious meals at home. The two-tier design lets you steam vegetables, seafood, chicken, rice, and dumplings at the same time, saving time in the kitchen. It locks in natural flavor and nutrients without the need for extra oil, making it a great choice for quick, healthy everyday cooking. All products links are in the description below. Number 14, the COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine, a fun and easy way to make healthy snacks right at home. It's perfect for drying fruit, vegetables, herbs, beef jerky, and even homemade pet treats without added preservatives. The multi-layer design lets you prepare large batches at once, making it a great choice for meal prep, healthy snacking, and reducing food waste. Number 15, the Cusimax Hot Plate Electric Burner, a portable cooking solution that's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and home kitchens. It gives you an extra burner whenever you need one, making it easy to cook full meals, boil water, or keep dishes warm while entertaining. Compact, fast heating, and easy to use, it's a handy appliance for everyday cooking. If you enjoyed these Amazon finds, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more must-have Amazon products, and check out the links in the description below.